someone were to ask me the best location to invest in real estate in 2025, I'd probably tell them the Sun Belt cities where they're experiencing strong population growth, lower taxes, and there's a business-friendly environment. Secondary markets such as Raleigh, Charlotte, and Boise, where there's a high demand for affordable housing and emerging job markets. Opportunity zones like Detroit, Cleveland, and Baltimore, where they're actually offering tax incentives for investors, and there's significant redevelopment potential. So all these locations combine growing populations, economic development, and favorable market conditions for both long-term value and rental yields. If I were to use direct mail to target homeowners in high potential areas and explain to them why now is a good time to sell, I'd probably go with a personalized letter or postcard and include local market insights such as property values in your neighborhood have increased by 15% in the last 12 months. Explain why it's a good time to sell. Use current data to show how now is an opportune moment to capitalize on high property values before the market shifts. Appeal to their motivations, tailor their message to your audience. So for older homeowners, you might mention how selling now could unlock significant equity and reduce future maintenance costs on your property.